Hi, welcome to the Espresso, your daily shot of Chinese words with cathelender. 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道 The Espresso。在这个频道呢，我们看字和词之间的关系。今天我们来到了关于猴这个字的第二个视频。Today we move into the second video about all the words related to the Chinese character 猴 monkey. And if you missed out the previous introduction video, please feel free to check it out. 好的，今天呢，我们会学习两个跟猴这个字相关的成语。So we will learn two idioms today related to the Chinese character monkey. 那这两个成语呢，其实都非常的常用。And I think even though there are not so many idioms related to monkey, but the ones that we're going to introduce and learn today are very common. 好，我们来看一下它们是哪两个成语呢？第一个就是杀鸡儆猴，杀鸡儆猴。第二个呢是猴年马月，猴年马月。好的，我们呢会跟以前一样学一下汉字，学一下他们的小故事，然后呢看看我们怎么用。Okay, as usual, we'll look at the breakdown, the Chinese characters. If there's a story, I will share that with you. And of course, we'll look at how we use these idioms in daily life nowadays. 好的，那我们就开始吧。The first idiom we will learn today is 杀鸡儆猴。杀鸡儆猴。Let's break down the idiom first, character by character. 杀 to kill, 鸡 rooster. 警 to warn, 猴 monkey. 杀鸡儆猴. The literal meaning is kill a rooster in order to warn the monkey. Okay, so what can that be? Why we have such expression? Before we get to the story, first let's take a look of the Chinese characters 杀鸡儆猴。Okay, welcome back. So we now had a look at the Chinese characters. This is actually idiom based on a real story. So what kind of situation do you think we need to kill a rooster in order to warn the monkey? So I will tell you the story in Chinese first, okay? And then see if you can follow me, if you can understand, get the gist of the story. Then I will tell the story briefly in English. 好的，这个故事呢是关于以前有一个卖艺的耍猴人，他买了一只非常聪明的猴子，可是呢，这只猴子不很听话，每一次他敲锣打鼓来了很多人来看猴子的表演，可是呢，猴子没有反应猴子不听话，不表演，所以呢，这个卖艺人呢就很生气，他就在想，我怎么可以让这只猴子听我的话呢？每一次我敲锣打鼓，猴子就会要表演。所以呢，他就到了市场的另外一个地方买了一只公鸡。那就他抓了这只公鸡呢，来到他表演的地方，在这个猴子的面前。然后他就敲锣打鼓。那公鸡吓死了公鸡不会表演，对不对？所以呢，这个卖艺的人呢，就趁机把这个公鸡杀了。他杀公鸡，公鸡的鲜血到处都是。然后猴子看到了，猴子也吓死了。所以呢，以后每一次这个卖艺人敲锣打鼓的时候，猴子就会乖乖的好好的表演了。这个呢，以后现在我们就变成了一个成语，叫杀鸡儆猴。那它的意思呢，就是我来处罚一个个体，但是我的目的呢，是让其他的人都能够看到。Okay, how are you doing? So this is the gist of the story. Let me explain in English. If you want, you can go back and listen to the story again, just to see how much you can gain out of it. One of the key thing about my lesson is I try to talk to you in native speed. So I don't deliberately slow it down because you need to get used to the speed, how native speakers talk. So if you want, go back and listen to the story again, but it's okay. It's okay to feel that it's a bit challenging, it's a bit fast, but that's just the reality, that's how we talk. 好，现在呢，我用英文跟大家说一下。So now let me just explain the story briefly in English. So the story is about in the ancient time, there's this guy who lived on train monkeys and to give performance on the street. So he bought this very clever monkey, but this monkey didn't listen to him. Whenever he tried to draw attention from the audience, ready to get into performance, the monkey just ignored him. So the guy was very upset. He was like, oh, what can I do to train this monkey properly so that he gonna listen to me? So he thought it was one idea. So he went to the other side of the market and got a rooster. And he brought the rooster to the monkey, and he did the same thing. He started to draw the attention of the audience, and the rooster got very scared by the loud noise, and then the guy just killed the rooster in front of the monkey. And of course, there was blood everywhere, and the monkey got really, really scared. And then he understood if he didn't do the same thing, he didn't perform, he didn't do nothing, after the guy started to draw attention from the audience by his drums, he's gonna be killed as well. So since then, the monkey will listen and perform as soon as the guy start to do the drum and draw attention of the audience. So that's basically the story. So 杀鸡儆猴, nowadays we use it to refer to by just punish one individual. The purpose is actually to warn a group of people. So if you do not follow the instruction, if you do not do the thing, you're gonna end up with the same consequence of the other person. 所以呢，这个就是杀鸡儆猴的故事。好，我们现在知道了杀鸡儆猴的意思，我们来看一下这个成语我们可以怎么用呢？我们来看几个例子。好，第一个例子，杀鸡儆猴是我们的新领导给我们的下马威。杀鸡儆猴是我们的新领导给我们的下马威。Do you remember 下马威 when we talk about horse? The power of getting off the horse. So this is to show a power. Yeah? 杀鸡儆猴是我们新领导给我们的下马威。So this approach is how the new boss tried to show who's the boss. 好，例句2，这种杀鸡儆猴的做法只能是一次两次，千万不能每次都用。这种杀鸡儆猴的做法只能是一次两次，千万不能每次都用。So as you can see here, if you do it all the time, then it's not going to be effective. 好，最后一个例子。这种杀鸡儆猴的做法对于他来说完全没有用。这种杀鸡儆猴的做法对于他来说完全没有用。Okay, such approach doesn't work on him at all. 好的，那我们刚才看了第一个成语杀鸡儆猴，现在呢，我们来看一下我们要学的第二个成语猴年马月。猴年马月。我们看一下它的这个 breakdown 猴 monkey, right? 年 the year of the monkey. 马 horse. 月 month. So monkey year, horse month. 猴年马月. So that is the literal meaning. 好，我们还是先来看一下汉字。So as usual, let's have a quick look of the Chinese characters first, and then we will come back to explain what 猴年马月 means. 好，我们来看一下。 referring something that you can only know in the far future. There's no way to know. So this is something probably you will not get an answer easily because you have to wait forever to understand what's going on. 猴年马月. So why is that? Why do we use 猴年马月? 猴年 and 马月, they are actually based on the Chinese lunar calendar. 猴年, so the year of monkey, every 12 years, you're gonna have year of monkey. And then there's 马月, that is every 12 months, you're gonna have 1 month, that is the month of the horse. So remember, so 12 years, every 12 years is gonna be the year of the monkey, and every 12 months is gonna be the year of the horse. So that means you have to wait for a long time until you know what's happening. 猴年马月. And these are actually a working calendar. So 猴年马月 happened the previous time was in 2004. And the next 猴年马月 will be 2028. Let's see how we use this idiom in daily life. 好，我们先来看一下第一个例句。要修好新高速公路，那得等到猴年马月了。要修好新高速公路，那得等到猴年马月了。So really have to wait for a long time, right, to get the new road ready. 第二个例句，你这样下去，猴年马月才能完成。你这样下去，猴年马月才能完成。So that means what? You need to hurry up, right? If you don't hurry up, there's no way you're gonna finish it. Okay, let's see a final example. 这项工程不知要等到猴年马月才能完工。这项工程不知要等到猴年马月才能完工。好的，这就是今天我们学的两个成语。第一个呢，杀鸡儆猴，杀鸡儆猴。第二个呢，猴年马月，猴年马月。Hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to use these two idioms in your daily life. And please have a go and see if you can apply it somehow in your conversation. 好的，那么这个就是今天的内容。下一次呢，我们会学两个跟猴相关的俗语。Next time we will move to two very common expressions related to the Chinese character monkey. And I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. 好的，我们下一次再见，拜拜。